thinking I was high enough. I guess I got on the backside of the island and it wasn't high enough and lost signal.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
El Requesón is a cute little inlet with camping and access to a little island when the tide is low. Side of the island. We took a quick hike up to the high point and thankfully was able to get connection again and didn't lose our drone.
That was close. Took the drone out to go shoot around the island, just check it out, thinking I was high enough. I guess I got on the backside of the island and it wasn't high enough and lost signal. Still managed to go up. Had to then hike all the way from camp, all the way across the water here, up this mountain or this hill here. And finally, when I got up to the top, I was able to regain signal and bring him back home. So, ooh, that was close. I thought it was in the water. Good old trusty Mini Pro.
While we went to look for our drone, Judy launched her drone to look for our drone.
Our friend Judy decided to launch her drone to help look for our drone. Unfortunately, Judy crashed her drone into a bush. So, what are you looking for now, Rich? Judy crashed her drone right in the bush. It's right here, Judy.
She crashed. Now we had to look for two drones.
Show her. Dose drone recovery. Two crashed drones. And just like that, Judy's back in the air.